Hello guys, welcome back to another air fryer video. What I'm going to show you today is how you can make yourself an air fryer pizza in literally a couple of minutes. And I'm going to keep this video, I'm not going to edit it, I'm just going to keep it going live so you can watch me do it. So before we kick off, I'll just show you the ingredients that I'm using. The base is just one of these small nans. Sell them in most of the supermarkets. I hope you can see those. Sell them in most of the supermarkets. These are very cheap. These are Lidl ones. I think you get two for about 50 pence or something, maybe a bit more. It fits in the Tower or a Ninja 9-litre dual drawer perfectly. The next bit you don't actually need to do, but if you want it to be a bit more proper pizza-like, you can use, just put some tin tomatoes on. This will probably do you for 3-4 of these things. These tin tomatoes are brilliant. If you're ever going to make your own pizzas, I do it on my Kamado outside. I use the Mutti Polpa tomatoes just as the pizza base. It's all you need. So that's optional because you don't have to put tomato on it if you don't want, but I'm going to do it today because it's so easy. Next, in terms of cheese, of course, probably what you've got in the fridge. Just use some cheddar. I've got some of this. I'm going to put some parmesan on there as well, but I'm going to put a bit of black pepper on, and I'm also going to put some oregano that I've got in the cupboard on as well. And I'm just going to have chicken and tomato on this, but you can use ham or whatever you've got in your fridge. So I'll show you how easy this is to make. Now I've had to put it in here because trying to lift it in after you've made it is quite difficult, so probably not ideal for you to see. I'll try and move the camera over a bit close. I can't really get the camera right over it. Let me just put the tripod up. Right, so I've adjusted the tripod and hopefully you can see in there a little bit better now. I will show you. So, are we ready? How many minutes will it take us to make this pizza? First of all, just put this on. Just a dessert spoon, probably another one will be needed as well. So put the Mutti Polpa, brilliant these, as I say. Any pizzas that you're going to cook, just buy this stuff. It's pure tomato, it's absolutely beautiful tomato is this, the best you can buy I think in cans. So look at that, you could probably get 10 pizzas out of this, and we'll save that and use that another day. So there we go. We then will put the cheese on. I think opening the packet of cheese is taking me longer than making the pizza. Put the cheese on like that. Don't like too much cheese on it, but there we go. Cheese on. Put some parmesan on as well to give it a little bit of different flavour in this case. Put some parmesan on there, lovely. Are we at 2 minutes yet? Probably not. Next, let's get some chicken and tomato on there. This is just, you know, the cooked chicken slices you buy at the supermarket. That's all it is. Just what basically I've just pulled what I had in the fridge out to put into this pizza. Let's put that parmesan on top. I think this is going to be lovely. The naan needs garlic and coriander. I think that's about, can't really get much more on there. Bit of oregano, just to give it that authentic pizza taste. As I say, this is optional. There we go. Bit of black pepper. Done. 2 minutes, and that's me showing it to the camera. 2 minutes maximum to make a totally fresh pizza. Look at that. Right, we are now, turn this round to the air fryer. We're going to put into the Tower. If you haven't seen it, if you're wondering which air fryer to buy, this is a really good one. I think they're bagging about £135 at the moment. And if you want to see how to use it, see my other video I'll link in the top corner now. Which has got, thanks for watching, it's got 110,000 views at time of making this, I think. So we're going to put it on 200, and I would say probably 7 or 8 minutes will do it. We'll try it for 7 and then see how we are. So there go. So you can see, I mean, anybody can make that so easily, no hassle whatsoever. You can make it literally within minutes. It's fantastic. Makes a great lunch, and you'll see what it looks like when it comes out. It's brilliant. Right guys, we're nearly there, nearly 7 minutes now. So you saw how quick that was to make. I mean, it's silly. 2 minutes to make a fresh pizza using this method. Let's have a look what it's like. Whether I've given it quite enough at 7 minutes, we'll see. Hopefully it is. 7 minutes at 200 we've cooked that at. So just waiting for it to finish. There we go. Right on time. So look. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Could there be an easier thing to make? So I'm going to go and have this for my lunch. I think 7 minutes was about right, actually. Just about right. You could possibly have given it another minute, but I think that's about right. Seems lovely base. We'll get it onto a board and cut it. And here we are. I still haven't got my buzzing fridge fixed, and it does sound a lot worse on the camera, so I do apologise for any noise. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get the pizza out now. Melted a bit on the side and stuck it slightly. There we go. Look at that. What do you think? So let's have a taste of this. Let's see what it's like. Absolutely lovely. So don't delay, make your air fryer pizzas. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and see some of my other videos on cooking things in the air fryer, barbecuing, technology and Teslas. Thanks very much. Bye.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.